Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a mortgage note with CBRE, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer a mortgage note with CBRE, begin by gathering all necessary documentation related to the existing mortgage. Ensure that you have the original note, any amendments, and payment histories on hand. Contact your CBRE representative to discuss your intention to transfer the mortgage note. Provide the representative with all relevant details regarding the mortgage, including the loan amount, property address, and borrower information. Your CBRE representative will guide you through their specific procedures for note transfers. Complete any forms or paperwork required by CBRE for the note transfer process. Be prepared to provide identification and any additional information that CBRE may require. Once the paperwork is submitted, wait for CBRE to review the document. Your representative will inform you if any further information is needed during this review process. After approval, CBRE will prepare the necessary legal documents for the transfer. Review the transfer documents carefully to ensure all information is accurate. Once confirmed, sign the transfer documents as instructed by your CBRE representative. Submit the signed documents to CBRE along with any additional required documentation. CBRE will then process the transfer and officially record it with the appropriate authorities. Keep a copy of all documents for your records after the transfer is complete. Your CBRE representative will update you on the status of the transfer until it is fully executed. Finally, confirm that the mortgage payment information is correctly updated with the new holder of the note. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.